lunch break. I'm in Dumbo. There's always a major tourist attraction here under the bridge. I'm just trying to get to the park and have my lunch. But people are having photo shoots. It's always fun to see. Good day today. I work part-time now. So tomorrow I have another day off to work on vlog stuff and get more footage. It's always going to be creative though, so that's good. This pathway is so pretty. I love coming here for lunch. So nice. Look at this view, guys. Imagine. It's so pretty. I love Dumbo. One day I have a property here. Look at this. So many people. Beautiful way to have lunch. And I'm here. Hey guys, I'm here enjoying lunch. And I have a treat. I think this is green tea mochi. I hope it is. I really love it. I've never had this brand before, so I'm going to try it out now. But look at the view. Dumbo Park. Jet skiing in Dumbo. I don't even know what river this is, but that's nuts. Would you guys do it? Comment below. I don't know if I would do it. The water, New York water. I'm not very confident in it. Okay, so this segment of the vlog is going to be my weekly checklist. It's something that I do that my sister developed, which is super helpful to help me make sure that I accomplish all of my goals. And then I'll have a log with the vlog, so that'll be even more backup to ensure that I have accountability for the things that I'm supposed to do. So the goal of Life of Faye vlogs is to have one place where I can get to meet people from around the world and then funnel out all the projects from there. So I have 2 weeks off. And during the 2 weeks, I'm planning to take meetings for some of the projects that I inquired about in the last few months. Starting Ad Girl Faye for art direction, starting Runway Faye back in May for plus modeling, and as I lose weight, I'll transition into catalog modeling, advertisements, commercials, things like that. So that should be fun. But that's all I was talking about for now. Later on, I'm gonna go to Genesis's show, her first art show in New York City. So she's having an after party for that. I can't make the art show, but I will make the after party at the Ace. So I'm gonna go there. I'm so excited. Okay, so I am here trying to figure out what to wear tonight to Genesis art after party. I have this dress. I just got it from Asos, but I'm gonna have to workshop it because my boobs are really big. And it has some kind of like lock key thing here that is not the wave, but I'll show you guys how it comes out. Before the camera cut off, it has this loop here, but my boobs are exposed here, so I'm gonna maybe sew these down. I don't know. Also, I have this dress, which is a good staple. I might just wear that, but we'll see. I'll show you the finished look when I am ready this evening. This is so fun. This is like a daytime dress, though. I might have to wear this. This is for nighttime. It's sexy. It's New York City. Sex in the City, y'all. Which will it be? We'll see. All right. Later. I'm here now. I'm going to workshop this dress. Again, remember I want to cover this area. So I'm just going to sew it down. I have my needle and thread here, and I will show you the finished product. So I'll be back. Just finishing off. Okay. Fashion surgery is very high stakes, so be very careful. And now it's closed. Nice. Thanks. Yeah, so this is the winning dress. So again, I'm on my way to Genesis's art release party, the after party that I didn't get to make it to the show. I'm super excited to see her. Congratulations, Genesis. So, celebrating with Genesis, put on some lights, my dress. You found it? Ebony? Ebony? You found it? Is this it? Thank you. Sorry. Okay. Why don't you turn the AC off and let the window down? Hey guys, that's the end of my blog. Thanks again. Please be sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and share. Also visit runwayfaye.com for Faye editorials. Ciao.